Typically, when you talk about making students happy, most teachers and unfortunately administrators think of positive rewards. They have to be rewarded for effort or attendance and things like that. And so you run into this backlash of people who think, well, these are things that students should be doing anyway. But it's not really that. The basis for the students' happiness, the primary driver that the research shows, is the relationships they have at school, not only with their peers, but with their teachers. And with all the high-stakes testing going across the country, it's something that we're losing. We're losing that connection or that time for connection or the emphasis for connection between students and teachers, even though all the research shows that that's the primary focus or that's the primary aspect that makes students happy. Do I feel valued? Do I feel like I'm treated fairly? Am I seen? Am I heard? Things like that. So it's really the relationship between the teacher and student that we need to focus on.